Okay, yeah, weather.
Whether it's a short time period changes in atmosphere or in that particular environment. Talking about climate, if it extends for more over certain period of years,
Mhm.
that is mentioned as climate. Okay.
Okay.
So yours is winter. Okay, fine, nice. Do you prefer rainy or dry weather?
Yes, I prefer dry weather. I don't like rainy seasons because most of it, the rainy seasons outside, all the water logged in all the blocks, so it not be comfortable to us go outside. So we cannot do our personal things in rainy season. So I prefer to dry weather only.
Okay, so you experienced several bitter things, I think.
Sorry.
You experienced a lot of bitter thing whenever you're in rainy days,
Mhm.
unable to go anywhere, so
Yes,
hanging out in the
yeah, we
home
cannot
itself.
go outside.
Yeah, of course. What activities do you normally do on rainy days then?
Uh, Especially in the rainy days. First of all, I avoid to going outside. Okay, and the second thing is, if I go for outside, I used to wear jerkin in my rainy days. Uh, I always carry umbrella or else raincoat jacket along with me if it is necessary. I'm going outside. That's it.
Okay, in the rainy days, you just be alert.
Yes.
Mm.
Most of the times I prefer to go outside. I'm not avoid to going outside. If in case emergency only, I'll carry umbrella or jacket. That's it.
Hmm. Fine, fine, fine. No problem at all. Okay, Kiran.
Yeah. If you can elaborate more, if you have any answer with you.
Yeah, okay, I will come with my version. For the
Mm-hmm.
first question, what's your favorite weather?
Mm-hmm.
Definitely saying that my favorite weather is winter because I get that much sound sleep comparing to summer because of that cold climate, and I just want to cover my blanket tightly and it gives me warm, so I don't want to wake up early in the morning in winter season, so I like winter season.
Mm-hmm.
Second question, do you prefer rainy or dry weather? Almost I prefer dry weather because I felt uncomfortable in that rainy season because it rained in my parade. It blocked all my plans. So I just become annoyed whenever it rained. But in the same hand, I just want to think about the surroundings because rain is very, very important to the earth. So I can't bear rainy days. But for the sake of earth, I just enjoy rainy days sometimes. And the last question, what activities do you normally do on rainy days? Absolutely, there is no other way to roam everywhere outside of my home. So, better I just be a couch potato and have a cup of hot tea with some nachos and crunchies and watching my favorite movie, or else I just read some of the books which give me pleasure. That's it.
Okay. Nice.
Fine.
Are you practicing daily or what?
Nowadays, I'm doing practice on daily basis, but I'm not sure about all the days.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, you're also doing a
Are you
great job,
preparing
man. You
for
need not to
IELTS?
worry. No, that is not my cup of tea, dear.
Sorry.
That is not my cup of tea. That means it's an idiomatic expression to say no, not interested.
Okay.
Okay, Kiran. Where are you from, by the way? I forgot.
Hyderabad, Telangana district.
Okay, from which part of Hyderabad?
In Hyderabad only.
Okay, fine. Yeah, Akshay, you mentioned something. Could you please unmute yourself and explain?
And forgot to ask you, where are you from?
I'm from Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
Okay. Akshay, are you there? Akshay
Yeah, hello,
Thakur?
hi.
Yeah, you mentioned something that is not cup of tea. What's not your cup of tea?
No, no, I was just mentioning
Yeah, I mentioned something.
yeah,
Exam
yeah,
is
like you
not
were
my
saying
cup
that,
of tea.
that is not my cup of tea. So that
So
I
your
would like to
voice.
know the right in the chat.
Okay, no problem. Now I got it. Now I read the previous text. Now I came to know what you're trying to say. Okay, by the way, where are you
Yeah,
from, Akshay? Akshay.
yeah, I'm from Hyderabad.
Your voice is breaking. Okay, Kiran, give me a second. I just want to say hi to Suraj. Hi, Suraj.
Okay.
Your voice, everyone voice is very. Is it okay now? Yeah, you can unmute yourself. Suraj. Suraj, guys, those who are in panel are advised to turn on your mic.
Might
Hello
be.
guys, what's up?
Yeah, Samrat. Samrat, is that you?
Yes, listen.
Oh my god. Finally, I found you, man.
Yes.
Okay,
How are you?
welcome to my panel. I think this is the fourth day from our conversation, right?
Yes, I yeah,
But the thing
we
is,
have
I'm
talked
extreme. Yeah, we spoke
Sunday, right?
Sunday. I'm extremely sorry because I assured you that on that same day I will host, but I'm sorry. I am stuffed
No
already some
problem.
other work. Okay then. So had your dinner?
Yes, I've taken. What about you?
Yeah, even I also done with mine.
Okay, that's great. So
Mhm.
I've just read your caption that patriarchal society. What sort of thing you have written?
It's a male chauvinism, dominance.
No. Okay, okay. Uh, so is the status you have put in this islet? I'm new here. That's why I don't know.
Why means nowadays it's the scenario.
Okay, that's
If anyone came in, then definitely they will ask, what was that? Then I will get some idea regarding this. Then it leads to debate
okay,
or something
okay.
else.
So what do you mean by the patriarchal society? Sort of.
Patriarchal society is nothing but domination by men, male chauvinism.
Okay, so is there domination by women also?
Sometimes,
Sometimes, yes.
yeah.
So, so if we're talking about the majority part, so the male dominate or the women dominate more?
Male,
Male.
yeah, of course. Is it okay now? Till it's echoing now? Samrat, you can unmute.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hmm.
Speak.
Yeah, give me a second because I'm getting some message from my
Again,
school.
it's a echo background coming.
Mhm.
Oh, okay, fine. Is it okay now?
Yes, now it's okay.
Clear? My testing one, two, three, clear? Mayday, mayday.
Now it's clear. Yes, it's clear.
Okay, fine. By the way, Suraj, are you there? Suraj, you have to unmute yourself, otherwise I will drop you and I'll give no response from